Hey guys, what's up, what's up? So here is a simplified tutorial on the drivable mouse control turret. You know, it's really fun to use, and it is very powerful. It gives more accuracy and gets to the target faster compared to the wheel-based turret. Thanks to the new buildable update, we got new items. And one of those is the remote controller. So yeah, we gotta use this. So buy one if you don't have this. And yes, you can use this in any type of turrets you want. Or even without turret design actually. But for me, the best and practical is the dome turret. Because even without rotation mechanics, it still gives an illusion that it rotates. And you can actually use variety of weapons with this, not just miniguns. You know, what about some autocannons, right? So guys, time for me to teach you how to do this. It's actually very easy, guys. And before that, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. So guys, let's do this! Guys, this is ginger tea. Ginger tea is one way of getting the health benefits of ginger, including reducing nausea and inflammation. Ginger tea is good for overall health and may aid digestion, calm an upset stomach, and ease pain and inflammation.